Hi, it's Tim McTaggart here again, Chief Entrepreneur in Residence for QUT Bluebox and part of the Startpu Spark series being run in conjunction with GRE+D. So if you're watching this video, you've enrolled in the series and that's great. I'm really looking forward to seeing you. If you are doing the series, there's a few things I'd really like you to have a look at before you turn up. Now, as we said before, this first session is very much about developing a value proposition. So understanding in the eyes of a customer how what you do adds value to any problem they're trying to solve, any pain they've got or any gain they're trying to gain. So we've got some resources for you which I'd like you to work through before you turn up, or if you're at home you can do them at home. So those are things like there is a Jobs to be Done video by Clayton Christensen out of the United States that talks about switching what you think about the job that needs to be done rather than the innovation that you might have. There's a value proposition canvas which kind of really helps you drill down and construct what a value proposition looks like, and that'll become clear what that is as you go through that video. And the third thing is there's a chapter from the QUT Blue Book which is designed to help startups here at QUT, which will also talk about how do you develop a value proposition around your research work. So if you could do those things before you turn up, you'll get much more value out of the session when you do turn up. If you're working through it at home, similarly, you'll get huge insight and value out of that. If you are working at it from home, you're quite welcome to email myself at startup@qutblebox.com.au. If you've got any questions or you want any support, happy to help you with that. So, first of the Startpu Spark sessions, looking forward to having you there if you're going to turn up. If you're not going to turn up and do it at home, then absolutely happy to help you and support you in going through those resources. But looking forward to having you, and let's work through some value propositions together. I'll see you soon.